Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to quickly make your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop faster. So the first thing that you have to do is update your laptop, especially the drivers on it, and this will already make your device much more faster. All you have to do is go to settings, then open Windows Update on the sidebar, check for updates, and if you have anything other than preview updates, install it all. Your laptop in general should start installing all the required updates immediately after you check for them. And also go to advanced options and here check optional updates, and in this menu you'll be able to find driver updates if you have any. And if you do, hit the checkboxes next to driver updates and click download and install. As you can see right now, I only have Windows updates, and we don't really need optional Windows updates to speed up our PC. The next thing that you have to do is change your power mode. To do that, right click the battery icon on your taskbar, open power and sleep settings, check power mode and change it from best power efficiency to best performance, next to either plugged in or on battery state, depending on which state you use on your device the most. Then also let's reduce the amount of applications that slow down our laptop. Right click the taskbar, go to task manager, and in the task manager sort the applications by either CPU or memory usage. See which ones use up the most of your device's memory, right click such applications, click end task, and let them turn off so that they don't consume your device's resources. Also check startup applications on the sidebar, sort them by status, see which ones are enabled, and if you see the application that you don't want to start up along with your PC, right click this app, select disable, and speed up your device's launch, as well as remove an application running in your background in one click. Lastly, you shouldn't forget to close unused tabs in your browsers. No matter which browser you use, open tabs. Each open tab uses some amount of RAM memory on your PC, so if you have a bunch of open tabs in empty ones, they'll be consuming your background resources, your resources in the background. So make sure to close them all, or just close your browser temporarily to speed up your computer. And lastly, we can diagnose any issues for the laptop using the pre-installed, usually pre-installed Surface Repair tool. If it's not pre-installed on your laptop, you can find it in Microsoft Store. Just search for Surface Repair tool, get it on this page, open it, and here you can run some tests for your computer to see which elements of your hardware work improperly, optimize them or repair them in one place. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.